Hi sewing friends, welcome to another video. My name is Kira, Island Socialist on Instagram, and my blog is islandsocialist.com. In today's video, I am sharing the Bella Donna by Love Notions, but this time the hacked tunic version. If you watched my last video, you would have been waiting especially for this one. I am rocking a fabulous tie-dyed beach dress. Stay tuned. As soon as Love Notions posted the testing call, I knew I wanted to turn this into a beach dress. And I found the absolute perfect fabric in my fabric store. I have no idea what this fabric is. It is probably some sort of polyester stuff because it is a little bit scratchy. It is pretty sheer, and I'm gonna stand and come closer so you can see the design on the fabric. It has like variegated stripes going down, and like I said, it is semi-sheer. I'm actually wearing shorts under this right now, but of course at the beach I'll be rocking this over a swimsuit. So just in case you have not watched my last video where I shared the shirt version of this pattern, I'm just gonna go over a few of the details. So this is a diamond sleeve pattern. It's available in shirt or tunic length, with options for short sleeves with a band, 3/4 and long sleeves with cuffs. There is a bound facing option for the neckline, and you also have cowl and hood options. And for the tunic option, of course, you have optional pockets. So this is a knit pattern, and with the diamond sleeves that are grown on sleeves, it only takes a few pieces to make this pattern. So for this version, I actually used one single pattern piece. So here is my one pattern piece. This is the front and back. So the front and back are cut on one pattern piece, and I just added 5 inches to the hem of the pattern to make it into a dress. Now this was for a tester version. So since this version, the file has been updated and the tunic is actually longer now, which means that if you want to make a dress, you'll probably be adding less than 5 inches. So for the neck of the pattern, this is the front neckline, but you actually cut the back first, and then you remove this to cut the front, and then you could always reattach this temporarily until the next time. So one single pattern piece to make this dress. So I cut the short sleeve version, but as you can see, I don't have any bands, and I also omitted the binding for the neckline. I just turned mine over 3/8 of an inch and used the twin needle. The same for the sleeves, and then I have a 1/2 inch hem finished with a twin needle as well. So this is what my sleeve looks like. It's turned under. This is what the hem looks like. So I have it turned under, and this is the right side. Now I do have some footage from when I was doing the sleeves and so forth, so I'm gonna insert that footage now. So for my dress version, I decided I'm just gonna turn under instead of doing the binding. So I turned under the neckline 3/8 of an inch, and as you can see, I used a contrast color to base right at the very edge, because we're gonna be using the twin needle from the right side of the fabric, and I won't be able to tell exactly where I need to go. So this basting stitch has a double purpose. It's gonna hold that in place, and it's also gonna be my guiding stitch for my twin needle. And I did the same thing on the arms, just turned under 3/8 of an inch. So this pattern was recently updated to include sizes extra small all the way up to 5X, and as usual with Love Notions patterns, you have the full bust option as well. I use the standard bust piece for all of my versions of this pattern, by the way, and there's more than enough room, especially with the grown on sleeve. So if you missed my shirt video, this is my shirt, and I do have a tutorial for how to do the stenciling as well. And these are what the 3/4 sleeves look like. Absolutely love this version. This version is made from a very soft drapey rayon jersey. The machine did give me a little bit of trouble, especially with the twin needle, but I got it done in the end. And this mesh like polyester stuff This was actually a breeze to sew and a breeze to cut. It really behaved itself. I was very surprised at how well this behaved, and also at how well the twin needle hem worked. All right, so this is my beach dress version of the Bella Donna. Now, word on the street is that this is one of Love Notion's most popular patterns, and I totally understand why. This is so easy to whip up, definitely a 1 hour type of sew. The shirt version I got from 1 yard of fabric, and for this dress I bought 2 yards of fabric, but I have enough left to make a top as well, so it doesn't take much fabric either. I can definitely see the LBD becoming one of my favorite patterns. It's definitely a hackable pattern, as you can tell, and this is perfect for my lifestyle, especially the short sleeve version. I love a diamond sleeve. It's so easy to sew up and so easy to throw on. I just had a fabulous time testing this pattern and hacking this pattern, and I know this is not the last time you will be seeing the Bella Donna here on my channel. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for joining me. I really appreciate you stopping by. If you enjoyed this video, do not forget to give me a big thumbs up. Also click the subscribe button down below if you haven't done so already, so you can join the family. I would love to have you. That is it for me today, and I will catch you guys in my next one. Bye.